Photoshop mix, and that's the image of what I want to create done, but I'm going to go step by step and create a new image to show you how I went through that process. So once again, I go into custom canvas, and I'm just going to call this leaf animal 2. I've got my width as 4000 pixels and my height as 4000 pixels, and I'm going to hit create. So how we add a picture to this layer, we were just adding pictures of the leaves. I'm just going to press on the plus, add a layer, press image, and I'm going to use the body first. So I'm going to pick this leaf. So with this leaf here, I'm going to use that as the body, and I'm going to twist it around with my fingers like so and make it a little bit bigger. So once I'm done with that, I'll just hit a different section, and then I can add another image. So I press on the plus again, click on image, and I'm going to choose the feet for the duck that I'm drawing, or the bird that I'm drawing, and I'm going to do that there. Now, as you can see, this image is really small, so I'm going to make it a little bit bigger by dragging it out like that. So I'm going to place it just a bit under the body there. So I've got 2 images there. Now what I'm going to do is teach you how to blend. Okay, so down the bottom we've got adjust, looks, cutout and blend. And what blend does is, as you can see, there's that white box that's cutting into my leaf. That's not what I want. I want it to look like one full picture. So I can click on normal, darken, that might work, multiply, lighten. So I can click on these things and see what it does. Now, that one looks a lot more natural for me for this one, for darken. So I'm going to click on tick, and that puts the feet in for my duck or my bird. Now what I want to do is add another picture. So I press the plus again. And now I'm going to add the head of the bird. I'm going to make this a bit bigger, so by dragging it on the outside. But as you can see, the head of the bird isn't where I want it to be. Excuse me. So I'm going to use my hand to twist it around. Now that's going to make the head of my bird face in a different way. So what I can do is click on image layer, and then a screen should pop up, and I can either flip it horizontally or vertically. I'm going to try horizontally. That's not what I want, so flip that again. I might click on flick vertically. And so now this shape here looks like the head of my bird. So now that I'm happy with that, I'm going to add, I might actually make the head a bit bigger. So I might drag on the corners where those circles are and make that head a little bit bigger. And there's the head of my bird. Now I'm going to add its eye. So I'm going to go to image, and I'm going to click on this leaf, and that's going to be my eye. And I'm going to make that a little bit bigger. And then I'm going to click there. I'm going to click outside of it, and I'm going to click on it again so I can move it. And I'm going to move it about there. Now, as you can see, once again, my eye is, there's a white box around it. It doesn't blend in very nicely. So I'm going to click on blend again, and I'm going to explore. I feel like darken works, multiply works. Lighten doesn't really, what it does is it cuts out the eye. And I'm just going to press until, so I think I want to choose darken again. And I'm just going to click on that, press the tick, and there's my eye. Now I'm going to add the beak of my bird. So I'm going to use this leaf as the beak. I'm going to make that bigger. That might be a bit too big, but then that's not the way I want it. So I'm going to experiment with flipping. And then I'm going to also twist with my hands, and I'm going to move it about there. Now that's covering the face of my bird, so I know that I will need to blend. I'm going to try darken again, maybe multiply, maybe lighten, I'm not quite sure if these work that well, but I might try multiply and just click tick. Now I might move that up. Now what's really bothering me is this white bit all around, so I can click on that. And another function that I can use in Photoshop Mix is cut out. So here we've got cut out, and I'm going to press auto. I'm going to let the program figure it out itself and click tick. I might make my beak a bit larger, so I'm going to drag that out. I'm still not really happy with the blend, so I'm going to go back to blend, and I might go to normal. And I think maybe normal works a little bit better. So I'm just going to click on tick again, which I seem to forget to do. And do that, and twist around again till I'm happy with the angle of my beak. Might move that over there a bit, might move a bit down. And there's my bird with its leaf beak, leaf eye, leaf head, leaf body, and leaf. To save, what I need to do is just click on, at the top there's a box that has the arrow pointing up, and send to camera roll, and that will save my image to photos. Now guys, this requires a bit of planning and a bit of experimenting, so be kind to yourselves, be open-minded, and be principled, and have a go. Have fun, guys.